In this video, I will show you how to enable focus mode on Android. First, launch open settings on your device. Now scroll down and get to digital well-being and parental control section. Here, scroll down and check if there is the focus mode option. Go ahead and select that. Now, if it's turned on, you want to enable it. Then choose the apps that you want to pause while focusing. These apps will be temporarily unavailable when focus mode is active. Next, you want to select your preferred mode and routine. So go ahead and select any one of these options such as driving, exercise, relax, work, or game. Tap on any one of it, and here it shows that once you have enabled this, do not disturb will be turned on. Also, voice wake up setting will be turned on. So if you want that, tap on the get started option, then tap on the turn on option. You can also schedule if you want focus mode to turn on automatically at specific times. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.